In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently remove game from Steam account. If you've decided a game no longer belongs on your account and you want it gone for good, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact process and what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. At the top, click Help, then select Steam Support. If you prefer a browser, you can go to help.steampowered.com directly. Just make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account before you proceed, because this action is tied to the account you're logged into. On the Steam support page, you'll see sections for your recently played and installed titles. Use the search bar or browse to find the specific game you want to remove. Click the game's name to open its support page. If you see multiple editions or bundles, choose the exact entry that matches the game you intend to remove so you're acting on the right product. On the game support page, scroll down until you find the option that says, I want to permanently remove this game from my account. Click that. Steam will then present a confirmation screen that lists the items connected to that game, such as editions or associated content. When you're sure you've selected the correct item, confirm by choosing OK, remove the listed games from my account permanently. Before you finalize, take a moment to read the warnings carefully. Permanent removal means you will lose access to the game, along with any progress, achievements, and related features linked to your account. This is not the same as uninstalling or hiding the game. This is an irreversible change to your ownership on Steam. Proceed only if you're completely certain you no longer want the game on your account. Once you confirm, the game will vanish from your library right away. If you still have the files on your computer, they won't launch under your account, and you can safely delete them later from your drive if you wish. If you ever decide you want the game again in the future, you would need to reacquire it on Steam to regain access. If you have multiple games to remove, repeat this process one at a time. Steam does not support bulk removal, so you'll go through these steps individually for each title you want to permanently delete from your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.